I'm going to head out right now, but I really loved our conversation and would love to talk to you again in the future. And by doing this, you exit the conversation gracefully rather than leaving abruptly, right? You want the person to feel as if this conversation progressed our friendship, it progressed our relationship, and I hope to one day work with you, do business with you, or just become better friends in the future, right? Exiting gracefully is key. So whenever you exit gracefully, shake their hand, say thank you, their name, smile, repeat what I just told you earlier about that whole kind of say thank you, repeat what you learned from them, and then leave, right? Go wherever you need to go. You need to exit gracefully in every conversation. At Google, whenever I would end a meeting, I would say, Jake, Lisa, this was great. Thank you so much. Here are the action items I learned. We're going to need to reach out to the finance team, the legal team. I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll keep you updated through email, through ping, so that way you're aware of where I am. Also look at my project management software. I'll keep that update as well, just in case you have any questions. But hey, let's keep in touch. This was extremely productive. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. That is how you leave gracefully. That is how you close the loop in a form of communication. So that way, you are able to let the person know that I listened this whole time we were together. You had my full attention. And any action items we may have had, any kind of information that we need to transcribe or do later on, I've got it, okay? And I appreciate you. Similar to networking at UCLA, anytime I talk to someone at a networking event, I say, hey, Larry, this was fun. Thank you so much. I learned so much from you. Let's definitely keep in touch. I'm going to go grab a drink. I'm going to go grab some food. I'm going to talk to some more other people, kind of get to know the room a little bit more. But hey, I had an amazing time. Let's keep in touch. Shake their hand, smile, and then walk away. That is how you exit gracefully. It takes time. It takes time to do this, right? It's not easy. But the more you do it, the more you're able to get better. As with anything we have in life, the more you practice, the better you become. Practice makes perfect. It's so true, right? So whatever you're trying to do, whatever rapport you're trying to establish, whoever you're trying to talk to, get close with, use these techniques. This will help you develop charisma in business, in life, with friends, with family. You want to be that guy, you want to be that girl who people look up to and say, gosh darn it, that person is confident, that person is charismatic, I believe in them. When you do that, when you have charisma, when you have hard work, you can become this amazing leader that people look up to, and you could change the world. So I hope you guys enjoyed this masterclass, this podcast on how to be charismatic. Jello family, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Angelo Carlos Talks YouTube channel, podcast. We are growing so fast, and we're at 176 subscribers. I'm super excited. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart.